Hello, Mexico. Here we are at Maroma, Belmond's property in Riviera Maya. And I love the way in Suite 21, which is up 38 steps from the ground. I've got a hat, a beach bag, and a couple of caftans, and at least 3 dozen hangers. I think I'm supposed to have brought every item in my wardrobe. They've really introduced in the new Tara Bernard redesign masses of elements of Mexico. Look at the bedside with the bed head. There is no USB port, by the way, in that control panel there. And then we go through to the sitting room. My room keys are stored in this little holder. A nod to Frida Kahlo, I suppose. Tiles everywhere and steps. It's really blowing outside today. The mat with its blue stripes complements the tiles. A tequila welcome with 3 little containers of nuts. That would be lovely sitting outside there when it wasn't blowing such a gale. And then I've got this absolutely gorgeous minibar. It's a work of art, both the woodwork and the contents. Oh dear, I've slightly disjointed one of the cups. There it is. Look at the beautiful ice tongs. And tequila and different drinks and a book on mixology.